Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy granules. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients and tools. Grab your favorite gravy granules, a measuring spoon, and a heat-proof jug or bowl. Next, prepare your liquid. You can use freshly boiled water from a kettle or hot stock from the stovetop. Make sure it's piping hot, as this is key to achieving a smooth, lump-free gravy. Having everything ready makes the process quick and easy. Now it's time to combine your ingredients. Start by adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of gravy granules into your heat-proof jug. The exact amount depends on how thick you like your gravy. Then, carefully pour about 250 milliliters of your hot water or stock directly over the granules. Be sure to pour steadily to help prevent lumps from forming. This initial mix is crucial for a smooth consistency. Once the hot liquid is added, immediate and vigorous whisking is essential. Grab a fork or a small whisk and stir the mixture rapidly for about 15 to 20 seconds. This quick action helps to dissolve the granules evenly and prevents any lumps from forming. Keep whisking until you see a perfectly smooth, consistent gravy. Don't stop too soon. A few extra seconds of whisking makes all the difference for a silky texture. Your delicious gravy is now ready to enjoy. Before serving, give it a quick taste and adjust the seasoning if needed, perhaps with a pinch of salt or a dash of black pepper. Pour the hot gravy generously over your roasted meats, mashed potatoes, or vegetables. It's the perfect accompaniment to elevate any meal. If you have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.